Hey guys, hey fellas, welcome, welcome, yay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, hello, hi. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome. Right, so if you're new to this channel, my name is Elizabeth and I'm your girl. I'm your new bestie. So welcome. I'm Nigerian and I'm a content creator based here in Nigeria, West Africa. So welcome to my channel. And whilst you're here, yeah, okay. So while you're here, right, go on and just hit that subscribe button, just so we are officially besties, like I said. Okay, thanks. And guys, if you're returning, thanks guys for the love and for the support. I'm really grateful to you guys. Thanks so much. And just in case you haven't hit that notification bell, it's just a reminder, go on and do that so you never miss an upload on this channel. Okay, right, so thanks guys. So in today's video, guys, so I got sent some Avon products, beauty products, for us to do some, full-faced makeup using this beauty Avon brand. If you do not know about Avon, you might be needing Google to to find out about Avon, because I think the whole world knows about Avon. So if you do not know about Avon, okay, might not necessarily be able to help you at this point. So my advice would be for you to just hit Google, and Google's gonna give you all the details, history of Avon. Okay, right. Okay, so if you do not know about Avon, right, you just Avon is a beauty, cosmetic, skincare brand that has been in existence, been in this thing for longer than most brands that I know. So Avon's like the grandmaster of beauty skincare products in the world, literally. But of recent, they have recently just started to, not recent, but like in last year, 2-3 years, I think, Avon has recently just decided to start making beauty products that covers all skin types, right? Because initially Avon was more focused on the not colored girls, but other colors, since they're more based in those countries, so their brands were more focused on those skin types, skin colors. But of recent, they have extended their beauty brands. By beauty brands, I'm talking of foundation, concealers, powders, bronzers, and all of those brands to be able to fit our skin tone, our colored, colored peoples. So I got sent these Avon beauty products to show my colored girls that we are part of the Avon fam. So I got sent this by this beautiful Avon representative that is based in the UK, and I usually just get most of my Avon, anything Avon from her. So I have already unboxed the item, but I'm just gonna show you the name on her brand's name actually. So the name here is the Cream Chic Fashion, and that's most of her details on there, but I'm definitely gonna be leaving those details in the description box. Excuse that, just in case you might want to reach out to her and you know, purchase any of these products. So I've been, you know, buying things, getting things via this month lovely Avon Representative. So this is what she recently sent to me. You can see the name's written on there, my name, that is Lizzie, is written on there. So she just sent this to me. Today's what? Today's Monday. I'm filming on Monday. This was I picked this up on Friday, or yeah, I picked this up on Friday. And she, as you can see, this contains quite a lot of beauty products and lots of lipstick samples, because yeah, lots of samples, lipstick samples, and it's quite a lot actually. It's not just those ones. Samples, colors. I'm gonna be, but for those lipsticks, I think I'm going to do you know, like a lip swatch, just so you can see the colors that they do have. Obviously it might be a lot more than these ones, but just to show you what is in here and the colors these colors that you have here, you can actually play with. Trust me, Avon's beauty products are like tested and trusted. Years of experience, you can't match that. So yeah, this is glimmer sticks, eyeliner, eyeshadow. There's quite a few things on here. I might not necessarily be able to show you everything. Eyeliner, for the brows. What's this? Lip gloss. This is another sample lipstick. This should be, oh, this is a primer. Oh, I got sample perfume, don't know which one. This eyeshadow. Okay, so there's primer and there's foundation. Avon Stay Power Stay Foundation. And obviously when I'm ready to do once I'm filming the full face using just this brand, then I'm gonna be telling you the shade and all of that. Brow showcase, obviously brow set, and another full lipstick. And these are some samples of foundation, just in case the color she sent didn't match, then I can use this one. So yeah, that's it. I'm just doing more or less like an unboxing, just to show you guys the PL package of Avon that I received for Colored Girl. So yeah, we're gonna be working with bills, working and show colored people and encourages to start using Avon beauty brands, because it works for all of us. So guys, it was a quick one just to show you what I got for Avon from Cream Chic Fashion in the UK. And if you want to reach her, just hit that description. You're gonna see her details on there, and reach her and get some beauty brands for yourself too, and skincare products, anything Avon you can get from Cream Chic. Yay. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you did like this little quick video about Avon, and if you have any questions, suggestions, go on and definitely leave that in the comment section, and I hope that I'll see you in my next one. Thanks guys. Ciao fellas. Bye.